Hello, my name is Stephen Shane, Autodesk certified instructor, designer, and animator. I've been involved with 3D printing since my first part in 1995. Additive manufacturing is increasingly becoming an important part of the industrial landscape. From design and engineering to manufacturing, 3D printing is fundamentally changing the production workflow. Industrial businesses today can create prototypes faster than ever before and create parts that are not manufacturable using traditional methods. Are you thinking about implementing additive manufacturing or other emerging technologies into your production workflow? Join CADLearning and RedVector on June 28, 2018 at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our webinar, 5 Keys to Successful Additive Manufacturing Implementation.